Hey plant lovers, ever wished your succulents would just, zoom in growth? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to make your succulents grow faster. And trust me, it's easier than you think. This is a beginner's guide, so no fancy jargon, just the good stuff. Ready to get those succulents thriving? Let's do it. First things first, light. Succulents are sun worshippers. They need a minimum of 6 hours of sunlight per day. If you're indoors, a south-facing window is your best bet. If you notice your succulent stretching towards the light, it's a sign it needs more. Consider a grow light if natural light is scarce. More light equals more energy for growth. Easy, right? Next up, the right soil. Succulents don't like wet feet. They thrive in well-draining soil, like a cactus mix. Regular potting soil holds too much water and can lead to root rot. A succulent's worst nightmare. Make sure your pot has drainage holes, too. This helps excess water escape, keeping your succulents happy and healthy. Think of it like this: dry feet, happy succulents. Watering is crucial, but it's also where many people go wrong. The soak and dry method is your best friend. Water deeply when the soil is completely dry, and then let it dry out again before watering. Overwatering is a common killer. Stick your finger in the soil if it's wet, hold off on watering. Underwatering is better than overwatering, so when in doubt, wait. This is super important to help your succulents grow faster and healthier. Let's talk about fertilizer. Succulents aren't heavy feeders, but a little boost can go a long way. Use a balanced, diluted fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer. Avoid fertilizing in the winter when growth slows down. Always follow the instructions on the fertilizer package to avoid burning your plants. A little food, a lot of love, and your succulents will thank you. Now, for propagation. This is where things get really fun. Succulents are super easy to propagate from leaves or cuttings. Just let a leaf callus over for a few days. Then place it on well-draining soil. Mist it occasionally, and roots will start to form. Soon, you'll have baby succulents. This is a great way to multiply your plant collection and share the succulent love. Pruning is another helpful tip. Remove dead leaves to keep your succulent looking tidy and to encourage new growth. You can also prune to shape your plants. If a succulent gets too leggy, you can cut the stem and replant the top, giving you a fresh start. Pruning helps maintain health and encourages faster growth. Finally, let's talk about choosing the right succulents. Some succulents naturally grow faster than others. For quick results, try varieties like Sedum, Echeveria, and Sempervivum. Do a little research to find what thrives best in your environment. Selecting the right species for your region can make a big difference. So there you have it. Those are my top tips for helping your succulents grow faster. Remember, light, soil, water, fertilizer, propagation, pruning, and the right variety. Give these tips a try, and watch your succulents flourish. Happy growing, everyone!